I'm here to tell you about Actuated for GitLab. We're going to be able to run our build inside of an ephemeral Firecracker VM that is completely thrown away at the end of the build. And this means you can run Docker natively instead of having to mess about with Docker in Docker. You're not going to have to use privileged containers and worry about that executing on your Kubernetes cluster, all of the side effects and security issues with it. So let's have a look at what we've got. On the left hand side of the screen, top corner, I have an OpenVAS function, and this is effectively Python code. There's two stages. Both of them are going to run in two separate micro VMs. At the beginning of each, we just install curl and the FAS CLI. We are actually using the Docker executor for this. You could use a bash executor too. And then we just run FAS CLI build, which does a Docker build. And in the second stage, we actually publish the image as well using BuildX to a temporary registry. You can see I've got no runners registered right now. So this runner is just going to be ephemeral only for this job. The code for the function is very, very simple. And as soon as I edit this, the bottom half of the screen, we're going to see the VM get launched. Less than a second. I'm going to go straight into main. And on this side, a refresh. We can see our runner is there. This is actually going to get deleted automatically as soon as the job is completed. Now, if I'm quick enough, I'm going to find the pipeline, and we should see either one of these complete. Now, this is set up to run serially, but these could also run in parallel as well. So there's I believe that's our second VM launching. The first one is fully complete. And this is using the Docker executor, right? You could use the exec normal shell executor if you want. The pull of this Docker latest is actually coming from a mirror running on the agent. And so that's very quick compared to how it would normally be. Now we're just waiting for the output from the publish to TTLSH, but we can also go look at the output from the build step. If we click on it here. So both are finished. We're only queued for 2 seconds for that job. Really decent queue time. We've got the actual build, OpenVAS CLI, all running as you'd want. And now we've got no runners at all assigned to our project. And that's that. So if you're interested, go and have a look at actuated.dev. Look at what we've already built. Look at some of the customer testimonials, what kind of companies we're helping. This works on x86 and ARM. And we talk about some of the reasons why this has been built as well. Thanks for watching.